Doing good? In this tutorial, I'll be showing you two ways how to make a clothing website for free. The first platform that I would recommend you give a try is Printify. With Printify, you'll be able to create a clothing website in no time for completely free. All you'll need to do is go onto printify.com. From there, you can tap on Start for Free and you can create an account with your Google account. Once you have created an account, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. Once on this dashboard, I want you to go over to the top left hand corner and you're going to tap where you see My New Store and you're going to tap on Add a New Store. After you have tapped on Add a New Store, you can see the different platforms that you can integrate Printify on. But since we are creating a completely free store, we're going to be using the Printify pop-up option. So you're going to tap right there, then you're going to give your store a name. So let's say, for example, I were to call it Test Store. So after typing in the name, all you need to do now, you can select the country right here. So for example, Jamaica. Once you have done that, you're going to tap on Next. Then from here, you can choose the theme that you would like to use. After you have chosen the theme, I'll be showing you what to do next, so you can see the theme is loading up. Once the theme has loaded up, all we'll need to do now, we can go over to the left hand menu option and from there we could tap on Catalog. After selecting Catalog, you can see the different sections or the different options that you can choose from, and you can add your design on anything right here, whether it be a t-shirt, hoodie, sweatshirt, anything at all, baby accessories. You can select any one of these options. Let's say, for example, we were to select sweatshirts. So I'll select sweatshirts right here. After doing that, you can select whichever style sweatshirt you'd like to use. Then from there, you're going to tap on Start Designing. After selecting Start Designing, you'll be redirected to this page. Once on this page, you're going to go over to the top left hand corner, and from here you're going to tap on Upload. Then you'll select My Device, and this is where you'd upload your design. A good platform to create your design on would be canva.com. You can use canva.com for completely free to create different designs. So for example, we could go onto Canva and I could type in t-shirt real quick. After you have done that, you can see different designs that you can quickly select from. Keep in mind that the designs with the crown that says Pro, you'd have to be a paid subscriber to use that particular template. But there are numerous templates that you can use for completely free and add your own personal touches. Once you have created your design, you're going to go back into Printify and you're going to tap on Upload, then select My Device, and you're going to select your design right there. After you have selected your design, you can see that it has been added and you can adjust the size. Once it is to your liking, you're going to tap on Save Product in the bottom right hand corner. After you have tapped on Continue to Publish, you're going to tap on My Products. And from here, you can see the design right here. And I'm going to simply tap on it. Then after doing that, we are going to select Publish in the bottom right hand corner. Once you have selected Publish, you can tap on the X to close out. Now that we have published our first store, if we were to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on My Products, you can see it right there. It has now been published, and you can tap on Visit Store and you can see how your store looks right there. The other platform that I would recommend you give a try otherwise from Printify is Fortwall. And with Fortwall, you can use it again for completely free. It is similar to Printify, except you can also sell other products. For example, if you would like to sell services or so on, or other form of digital products, you can do that using Fortwall. So you can go onto fortwall.com, and from there you can create an account. You don't need a credit card or anything like that. You can simply tap on Start Now. Once you have tapped on Start Now, you can either choose to continue with Google or continue with YouTube or Twitch. After doing that, you will be redirected to a new dashboard. Once on your dashboard, from here you can go over to the left hand menu option and select Products. After selecting Products, you could tap on Create New Product, And you can either choose to sell a digital product, sell a physical product, or design something. After tapping on design something, you can select the item that you would like to add your design to. So it is similar to Printify and it is completely free to use and easy to use. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.